So, I just finished watching this movie, Kapoor and Sons, and I don't want to comment on how the acting was, etc. But the one message that I took out of this movie and what really moved me and got me so emotional is the fact that we sometimes take our immediate relationships for granted and we want our want them or the people we love to understand us just like this, forgetting the fact that each individual comes from a completely different place, a completely different experience. And as we age, as children, there's a different way in which we communicate. As we become adults, there's a different way we communicate. We have our own thought process. So basically, we all come from somewhere when we say what we say. When we are at work, we put our best foot forward. We try and make each and every, attempt to explain and, sort of put out our stand. Same goes for friendships. But when it comes to our parents, when it comes to our own blood, when it comes to our brothers and sisters, there are ways in which they can hurt us too, and there are ways in which we can hurt them. But we end up taking these relationships for granted, and that causes differences, a lot of differences. And I cannot, somehow forget the scene where in Kapoor and Sons, the father dies in the last, and there were so many unresolved issues, and the family, each member of the family wished that had they just sat down together and cleared them, and that person would have been alive with them. So I just want to say that this period that I have stayed with my family and spent so much time with my brother, with my mom, I realized that end of the day, whatever we may say, our aspirations, what we want to become as individuals, it is our family, and knowing that we have a family and some people who are our core enables us to go on, to keep growing, to keep moving. But we take those very relationships for granted, and there is so much baggage that keeps growing because maybe our parents don't understand us, maybe our brothers and sisters don't get us, maybe we felt that there was something that was so unfair between the way our brothers and sisters were treated. So we keep building those grudges, although somewhere deep inside we love them. For us, they're the most important. Just the fact that we take this for granted and do not put in the same effort in communicating and sitting down with them and pouring our heart out as we do in our love relationships, as in our friendships, as trying to solve our workplace issues. I just feel we've got to stop doing that, and we've really, if we put in that one effort, maybe we will become stronger people because our very core will become stronger. I really don't know why I'm saying this, but for anyone at this moment who has unresolved issues, including me with my family, my immediate family, distant family, for anyone who I care about, it could be friends also, where we think that they must understand our side, they have been unfair to us. I think sometimes it's a good idea for us to take that step, and maybe that will make us happier individuals. I keep talking about communication as a part of my profession, but today I have come to you and I'm speaking about this from a very different place, just as another human who cares about her family, who cares about her relationships, and who has taken a lot of people for granted. I hope I continue to improve from here, and I'm happy that I saw this movie because I just wanted to see it casually, but sometimes movies very realistically sort of display what our lives really are. And this movie hit me hard, and that's all I wanted to say, that let's all, take that extra step in making our relationships that we take for granted stronger. And I think there's only good that comes out of that. There won't be any last messages before someone goes away from our life that will be a negative message. I'm really rambling at the moment, but yeah, I'm very emotional, and yeah, that's all I wanted to say.